Meiosis-II. It immediately starts after Meiosis-I, and in comparison to Meiosis-I, it resembles to normal mitosis. It has got 4 stages: prophase II, metaphase II, anaphase II and telophase II. Prophase II. In this phase, the nuclear membrane so formed starts to disappear and chromosomes again become compact. Metaphase II. Chromosomes, they get aligned at equator and microtubules from opposite poles of spindles attached to the kinetochores of sister chromatids. You can see these two stages in the diagram. Anaphase II. Splitting of centromere so that chromosomes get attached to opposite poles. You can see in the diagram how chromosomes are getting attached to two opposite poles. Telophase II. Now around these two group of chromosomes, nuclear envelope starts to appear and then cytokinesis takes place and two daughter cells are formed. You can see in the diagram how two daughter cells are coming from Meiosis-I and how two daughter cells are coming from Meiosis-II, forming a tetrad of haploid daughter cells. Significance of meiosis. It is responsible for the conservation of specific number of chromosomes in sexually reproducing organisms. It is responsible for genetic variability because in this meiosis, homologous chromosomes, they get paired and further their recombination takes place. This meiosis helps in maintaining variations which is very much responsible or required for evolution.